In this quick video guide, I want to show you how you can add subtitles, you can search for subtitles, you can download them and then add it to your video. And this is because probably you are from another language and you want to see particular movie or particular TV series in your language and it's not available, then you can use subtitles to help you. Now in this case, this is a video guide that I have created earlier, but I will use this to show you how you can add subtitles. And I'm using VLC here, which is a player, and I'm gonna do the example with this, but you can use any other player. You just need to find where the subtitle menu is or the subtitle options. Now let's see where we can get these free subtitles, and the website is called opensubtitles.org. Now I can either search for directly the website, so I can search for Open Subtitles and I'm gonna find it here in the search engine. Okay, and I can access like that, or I can look for directly the movie or the series that I'm looking for. So for example, I want to look for Batman and subtitles, and let's say on Open Subtitles. So it's gonna bring me in the same website, and there you go. So let's see, for example, this one here, and there's my subtitles there for the original Batman movie. If you're looking for something more specific, you need to specify that. And you can see there are many different subtitles here for example, Italian, France, Italy, France, Germany, Japan, and so on. So you need to look if your language is among these, or you can also participate here. This is a community. You can also create the subtitles and upload them. You can become part, you can support them many ways. You can support them also with Brave browser. Right now I'm using Brave browser, so I can send a tip or I can send a monthly payment to support them. I can also activate the advertisement here, so this is also a way to support them. But for this video, I will take them off. So this is the direct search from Google, or you can search directly into the website. So if I want to search for, let's say, Batman, so I will type Batman here. Okay, and you can see there are many titles. You can also search for TV series. For example, let's search for Lost. And there you go. And so once you have searched for the title that you're looking for, the movie or the series, you can also look for documentaries or things like that. You would have to pick the language. So you can see there are many languages supported, but not every time you're gonna find the subtitles there. So I've selected Japanese and I've selected Batman, and there's my subtitles there, and I can just download this. Okay, now it's asking me to install an extension. If you want to have these Open Subtitles search directly in your browser, but in this case I don't want it. So there you go, just have to wait, and this is my subtitles downloading, and I will save them into my downloads folder. That's fine. Okay, once you save that, you need to open up the zipped folder and you need to extract them outside. So I will click and drag this outside, and I think it's these are like strange characters here because of course I'm not in a Japanese operative system, but that's the way it works. And so you just click download, unzip, or extract the files from the folder. Again, you can also upload. They're gonna make probably a check and they will say, okay, these are correct, or no, these are not. So this is again a community of people. So let's search for another, let's say Lost, and I want to search for, well, if you set the all language, that's gonna give you all the available language, I guess. So if I click here, Lost, you can see you have many different seasons. And also if you click here, okay, these are the, okay, you can see all the available languages is too much, so I just need to select just one language. So I go back here and say, okay, show me last in I don't know, Arabic, and say search. Okay, and then again I'll click here and there's my download. You need to click on this one here. These are the SRT file that you need. This is the flag showing you the nationality or the language, and you can see the date. Well, you can figure out by yourself. You just need, if you want the subtitles, to find this link, and then you can download just as we did before. Now to place it in your video, so again I'm using VLC, and I think we did a video guide about VLC install, so you can search here, and it's pretty simple to download and install VLC. Well, actually there is no video guide in English, so just type download VLC. This is a player that will let you play basically anything, so you can download it from the official website, which is videolan.org. Just click here and the job is done. You will find it in the download folder. So right here I open up a random video, and you can apply subtitles to anything basically, but of course you need to apply it in the correct movie or TV series, and be careful because sometimes they have to be synchronized. So subtitles are basically text that will appear in a defined time, seconds and frames. So if you want to add a subtitle, you need to go here to Subtitle, add Subtitle File, select your subtitle, the SRT file, and open it up, and there is gonna add it. And you can add basically anything here. I can continue to add other types of subtitles here. Now just remember, you need to extract them. If you don't extract them from the folder, you will not see them and you cannot upload them. Once they are uploaded, you can use them in the video also by right-clicking here, subtitle, and you can check the titles that you already added. You can disable them, you can switch from one to the other, or you can add it from here as well, add subtitles. Okay, then you have other options here in VLC preferences here. Probably, yeah, you have all this part about subtitles. You can change the position of the subtitles, you can change the font, the size, so you have a lot of different options here that you can check if you want to you know, fix them a little bit. If you want to download movies and TV series, just search for Emule. This is a tool that you can use to download, and also search for torrent. This is our YouTube channel. Search for anything that you might want to discover or understand. So just type what you're looking for here and you're gonna find the result. Type movie, type video games, type whatever you want. And well, that's basically it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. So if you did, please subscribe. If you want to support us, you can join and support us more, and also through the store. Also using these links at the top here or in the about page at the bottom. These are links that will get you rewarded if you create accounts with these services, and also we will get rewarded as well. So we both get rewarded, and it's another form of support if you want. You can also support us with Brave by sending a tip or by just automatically assigning the reward. And in the videos here you will find all the latest videos in the playlist. At the top you will find full English video courses on interesting software, and all the way down you will find other English video guides. So thanks for watching again. This will be all. See you in the next video.